Today, we're diving into the best FavePay Deal Promos that you can take advantage of right now. FavePay consistently offers exciting discounts across food, lifestyle, and retail, making it one of the most rewarding digital payment apps for smart shoppers. With these deals, you can save big, enjoy cashback, and make your everyday purchases more affordable. FavePay allows you to link your card and pay directly at partner merchants to instantly access discounts. Many restaurants, cafes, and online stores offer up to 50% off on meals, drinks, and groceries. For example, you can enjoy up to $10 cashback when you spend a minimum of $20 at selected restaurants. This is perfect for lunch outings, dinner dates, or even casual coffee runs. Beyond food, FavePay also partners with retail stores and wellness services. You can get discounts on beauty treatments, spa sessions, and fitness classes, with deals like $15 off on purchases over $50. These promotions make premium experiences more affordable without compromising on quality. FavePay frequently updates their promo list, so it's important to check the app regularly. Limited-time deals often provide the highest savings, such as seasonal discounts or first-time user offers. New users can enjoy an introductory bonus, often $5 to $10, applied immediately on their first transaction. Paying through FavePay is seamless. Once the app is linked, you simply select your preferred merchant, choose your deal, and pay using the app. Discounts and cashback are automatically applied, so there's no need to worry about vouchers or coupons. These deals not only save money but also enhance the convenience of everyday spending. With FavePay, maximizing value from your transactions has never been easier. Whether dining out, shopping, or booking services, you can make every dollar count with FavePay's best promos available today.